so gonna get one tap by his silver hand.
Saxophone, are you here? Are you actually alive?
Ooh, Peter.
You want to go to the railroads and see if there's a tank? There's no tank here. There's no tanks. We want fight.
Saxophone sort of saying.
Let us at us. Let us at him. Let us at him.
I don't know where they're at.
Hey, we'll flank them. We'll flank them.
What are we doing, boys?
We'll push. You know, we go around. We block them. Forward uphill. I don't see anything. Well, let me shoot him with the rockets. Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, he's skillish.
You see me down there? Hey,
See the gate.
you guys see my already in decay? Hold on.
You might have
You guys see that already in decay? There's a shitload of DK down there, and it's
Yeah, I
right
think
into
they
their
use
2
that.
storm cannons in their intel center. It's free as fuck.
Oh,
I was just down there. Follow me.
So check it out.
We're shooting the town base fucking right there from
Take us
that
down the
corner.
road. We can't do this in this way.
Or another show.
Oh shit. It's pretty good. Wait. I got his ass! Woo! More boys! Swoosh! I don't miss on him. I don't
I'm
miss.
getting down.
Bro, he was flying like, what the fuck? Oh, whip shooter right below, back. I mean, I might as well shoot at infantry. It was reloading.
We don't have any like shit, you know? This sucks.
Beep beep, motherfuckers! Come here! Eat shit!
Maybe risk
There's a silver head
flying the
on the bridge.
Take Silverhand! Silverhand out! I pinned his ass! He got pinned! We pinned him, Silverhand! Ah! We're alive! Uphill, the second health. I pinned him, by the way. I pinned him. He was like, what the fuck?
Yo, if we just get there, we'd be...
You know, I'll say it.
That's how tanky
I
it
don't want to go walk this door up.
Of course,
Okay, I think
pillbox fucking still.
I'll get him.
I have the dude, that only did 40% damage? We were at 59? Dude, that wasn't that bad.
Well, here's the thing. I don't think you hit both of them once.
Uphill.
I think that you only got hit by the 40 mile, not the 68 mile.
Yeah, I don't think the 68 shot. The 68 shot. I was expecting that either. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, all right, maybe it's the highwayman. No, that's the Silverhand. Dude, I pinned his ass. He was not expecting that.
Okay, we killed the gunboat apparently.
Nice. Let's get the TSO spot. If we kill one tank, we're armament positive. Actually, we're not. We live, bitches! We're gonna win the war!
I saw that. Okay.
We are so RP in this game, and I love it.
Seaport is down. Seaport is down.
Good, boys.
Alright, so let's go north of the spot, though. Imagine we kill a fucking tank, though, and back. Get the Baskers. Where's he at? Where's he at?
This is why we don't go that far. We will just get swarmed by infantry if we go out there.
We need more infantry out this way.
Hug the horn. Hug the horn. The horn hug. I smell them. The rail bridge. Go north. I'll go to the rail bridge. I've heard this
Flag tractor right here.
Run away, there's a silver hand, bro! You better run!
We don't fear death. We're here to win the war.
He's down this, he's literally right there, bro. Alright, well you're
Back up, up, back, up, back, up, back, up, back.
He's charging you.
I tracked him! I tracked him! He's tracked! He's tracked!
We got it.
I tracked him! I tracked him!